Hi everyone, myself Arun Kumar from SNS College of Technology in the Department of EC. In this video, I am going to share about Data Center Networking Topology. Initially, the data network topology has been assigned based on these objective and solutions. The objectives are a very useful tool to find the solution of the corresponding approach. So let us see how the objective and approach model has been assigned for particular solutions. So initially the layer 2 semantics has been assigned for employee flat addressing type of approach. So it will provide a solution about location and their name and also the resolution services. And next one is uniform high capacity between servers. It provide a guaranteed bandwidth for house model traffic and also provide a solution about flow based random traffic interaction method. Our next one is objective is performance isolation. So it is a method to enforce the model using existing mechanism only, and moreover the protocol which is assigned for this objective is TCP transmission control protocol, so that we can able to transmit the information to the networks without any delays. The VL2 topology design. So another technique which is used to identify the design is VL2 topology. So here we are using two level of topology layers are using for making the information from one to another one. So that kind of information has been done by using a switches, TOR switches, aggregation switches, and also it connected the information by using a intermediate switches, so that we can able to transmit the informations. Next one is no over subscriptions. So this is a technique which is used to expand the information by using this path diversity solutions. And next one is example. So there are a lot of switches are there in this model. If we want to transmit any data from source to destination, then we need to cross over all the information through the switches. So here the examples of switches and their corresponding services are connected through this topology. So initially the data ports are assigned by switches. So the switches are normally indirectly connected with one another, so that we can able to communicate the information to the all the ports which are connected in the switches. So initially the switches has been assigned for one random switch, so that we can control the topology by using a switch. So here the formula which is used to control the switch is d square by 4 into 20 servers, because all the switches are assigned through the servers. Based on this formula we can able to catch the information through the servers. Next one is location addressing. So initially the data are assigned based on the address. So initially all the data are assigned by address. So in this model, the data are assigned based on the numbering system as well as the alphanumeric models. So initially they are assigned this model by alphanumeric method. Initially the data has been assigned as x and y, so that the model already the taken about the default value as alphanumeric model. So in which all the type of models are connected through the switches, so that we can control the number of data based on the regulations. Next one is matrix. Initially the data is how much data has been forwarded to the users. So based on the users ensurable, the graph is given. The graph is plotted by the number of values which is based on the traffic, and the data has been forwarded from the users. If it is received from the receiver, then automatically the data has been assigned to the receiver end. So there may not be any possibility of switches happen in that data traffic. So the graph shown about all the data has been passed to the receiver end without any delays. Randomization technique. So normally we are focusing about the data based on the switches, and it is forwarded to the end users based on the number of switching conditions. So initially we are assigned here for randomization technique so that we can able to take any kind of data from any D ports, so that the user can able to see that how much data the receiver end needed, or they are expecting from the user. PMAC addressing scheme. This is the technique which is used to assign a maximum number of address for a single data, and moreover, it can be forwarded the data to the nearby users based on the cloud computing access. Next one is location discovery model. Even though a lot of addressing are assigned for the particular system, we can able to catch the particular location can be done by some hashtag functions. Especially for this model, we can use hash position model so that we can able to catch the particular location of the data and their model. Next one is name resolution. If you want to add or if you want to remove then particular host or information forwarded from the sender, means we can use this type of additional addressing mode, so that we can able to match or remove the names of the concerned node of the center. Next one is resolutions. Once if you are changing the name, we need to check the corresponding address of the node, so that we can able to see that how much kind of information has been forwarded to the receiver. Next one is Fabric Manager. Once we are assigning the data to the particular node, we can able to check that how much type of information has been loaded from the user. So this shows about ARP mappings, address resolution protocol. If we have any errors while forwarding the data, then we can able to check by using this ARP model, so that we can able to send without any information, without any irrelevant information to the users. So if you are having all those ERP model, then automatically it can be checked and it forwarded the data without any errors. High performance server centric network architecture. If you're having a ARP model throughout the networks, then we don't have any kind of error occur in this transmission, so that we can get the high performance. Moreover, the servers are forwarded without any delay. We will get the information as what the users has forwarded correct information. Assessment. Describe the role of redundancy in data center networking topologies and provide an example of how it is implemented in a factory topology. So this is the one of the technique which is used to avoid the redundancy model. In a factory topology, redundancy is implemented through a multiple interconnections between the layers, such as access, aggregation, and core switches. Thank you.